Namaste everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. On the weekly chart of Excite Industries, the breakout level is staring at us around 192 rupees. The breakout level is preceded by a well-known price action pattern called inverted head and shoulders pattern. One great thing about the formation of this very pattern is the latest rally towards the breakout level. As we see the stock price moving higher in the ladder, the range of the bullish candles along with the volume activity is increasing, which means there are stronger players who are pushing forward towards the breakout level. The most important thing now becomes, is this a stale rally or there is significant momentum for us to catch? I see a decent enough resistance at 215 rupees. Before that, I do not see any major obstruction for buyers. Having said that, the most important thing is if there is a daily close above 190, especially in Monday's session, if we do see this happening, then throughout the four trading session for the week, the buyers can keep on pushing the price towards the ultimate target of 215 rupees. Last but certainly not least stock for Monday's option trading is Apollo Tyres. From the look of it on the daily chart, the stock managed to break above a tight channel pattern. If I give you the exact date, the channel formation pattern started on September 7th and then the breakout happened on 20th November. So that is more than 2 months. And the most important thing is look at the range of the breakout candle. It is exponential along with jump in volume activity. From last four trading sessions, the stock price is not going that high, but at the same time, it is not coming lower as well. What we can conclude from this price action is that weak buyers are taking out profits, and at the same time, the stronger buyers they are buying on dips. Therefore, what we need is to stop the stock price to close above 320 rupees. The reason why I said that on the monthly chart, the stock is trading at a lifetime high. When there is a slow and steady momentum, generally after the breakout, the stock is likely to go very far. So in a short-term basis, the level of 350 rupees is not out of reach of buyers. I expect this level to be taken out in December only. Thank you for watching.